Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Bitcoin, your daily update. All right. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. Bitcoin has been kind of. I mean, it's been kind of flat. Last weekend was obviously the 28th and the 29th. So then, to kind of see what we can expect this weekend, I mean, then the price barely moved, and it started moving the 29th again. Was relatively bullish, so I kind of have the same expectation. First of all, before we start with this analysis though, I do want to say that yesterday I was wrong, all right? Because yesterday I said that I expected Bitcoin. I told you yesterday that it was based on feelings, all right? But I felt like Bitcoin was very weak yesterday, and Friday is usually a day where positions are getting closed. Overall, the funding rates across the map were fairly high. Right now, they have settled down a bit, but they were fairly high, which is another incentive to close big, long positions. So I thought, you know what, maybe this is the time for a pullback down towards 33,000, and then from there, we'll still be bullish. But all right, did not happen. All right, Bitcoin found that support, and then perhaps it was actually helped quite a bit by the dollar strength index, which had a major bearish breakout because of economic news. Like yesterday, the US received a ton of bad news, which is actually bullish for crypto. A little bit counterintuitive, but it is the truth. So now the market structure for Bitcoin is exactly the same as we talked about 2 days ago, because 2 days ago I told you that I still thought the most likely scenario was that we would get that bullish breakout and that we would get up to the 37,000 levels. So yesterday was and I've been saying this for the last week and a half or so. But yesterday I changed my mind based on feelings, which is the worst thing you can do in trading, but I did it. But all right, so this weekend I don't expect that much volume/volatility. The volume right now is still very high, but that's it's decreasing, and it will probably keep decreasing over the next 24 hours. That's not bullish or bearish, all right? That's just it doesn't matter that much. It's not bullish or bearish. It just means that on Sunday we can actually get some bigger moves again. And right now, I mean, like I said, the market structure is a consolidation between 35,000, I would say, and 33,000. At some point of time, I do expect that pullback, which is going to cause quite a lot of bearish momentum for most altcoins, which you should know. But for now, it's more likely that it will get that bullish breakout. And this price action actually reminds me a lot of when we became very bullish right here. I mean, here you can see big bullish momentum, and then we just consolidated in a very tight range for quite a while. All right, so this consolidation could take some time. Like here we consolidated from the middle of June until the middle of July. So that would mean that at least until the end of November we could stay in this consolidation, which is very long. But I think at this point of time there is way more bullish momentum. Like the difference between this move and that move we just looked at is that the volume right now is way higher, and you can also see that more altcoins around it are very bullish. So that's why I still expect a little bit more bullish momentum to the upside, as opposed to just consolidating in this area. But that could still take some time, all right? Like I said, we could still consolidate here for a while, and that we see that bullish breakout in a week or so. So I'll keep you updated on that. Like I said, for now, not too much to be expected. Tomorrow we'll talk a little bit about next week and all of the economic events then. But for now, these are my thoughts on Bitcoin. So if you do have any questions, let me know. Lastly, if you want to make some profits, want to join my premium group, you can actually check that out right here. I recently created this, or at least the Signal group I already had. That's been profitable. I posted a profitability report on that as well. So check it out. You can just see all of the trades are transparent. It's profitable. So if you want to join that, want to become a better trader, check out the links down in the description. There you can also find out more about Cilinix Premium, which is also great and way more accessible. So check that out. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.